This week I wanted to have you join me for one of my flower walks. Usually every couple weeks I like to just do a little spec walk, and that means I'm checking out foraged ingredients for upcoming workshops or client projects, just so that I can see what the landscape around me is doing and how I might incorporate some of these foraged flowers into upcoming floral installations. When you're starting out, the flower identification process can be overwhelming, and especially if you're using foraged flowers or wildflowers, it's important that you start to recognize the flowers in the landscape around you. I live in Portugal, so I have a climate similar to California. So I've put the names of the flowers on the screen so that you can see, but right now we have a lot of jacaranda trees out and bougainvillea. I really like to use bougainvillea in wreaths. It dries really well, and I love to use it in arrangements. I think it's really nice for floral installations too. One of my favorite flowers is abellia. Now this one you can often get from your floral supplier as well, and sometimes I get it from local landscapers who are doing pruning. But if you're looking for kind of that really garden style for your arrangements, abellia is going to be a great ingredient. And in this climate, you have it available late spring through summer. A lot of our meadows are getting pretty dry out there. So right now you'll see a lot of these Alexanders, which are beautiful seed pods you can use for taller vase pieces. They have these beautiful black seeds. And the bougainvillea grows so rampantly that a lot of the landscapers are happy to share vines. Something that just popped this week is the wild fennel. This is absolutely gorgeous for arrangements, and you can see how I used this in a past video. I'll put the link up at the corner of the video here. But this one works really well. If you don't have access to wild fennel, I suggest using dill. Sometimes you can find it at your local supermarket. Oat grass is one of my favorite ingredients, and the grasses are already dried in the meadows now. So they make a great addition for fresh or dried floral arrangements or floral wreaths. I also look for color inspiration. There are still a few crown daisies out. That's one of my favorite wildflowers to use in arrangements. So that was my little flower walk today. I'm planning for some upcoming live stream workshops I do for corporate teams, and also some upcoming videos and photo shoots. I work as a floral artist and also a flower instructor. If you are interested in flower ID and becoming a florist, I have a blog post all about getting started with flower ID, and I will put that in the comment box below. I also have a 45-minute training on sourcing flowers, and I go a little bit more in depth to foraging and how I pair foraged wildflowers with wholesale flower ingredients and locally grown flowers. So I'll put the link to that below. It's totally free. And thanks for watching this week's video. And if you have any questions about foraging flowers or using wildflowers in your arrangements, either professionally or at home, just leave a question in the comments. I'll see you next time.